Hey iPhone users! iOS 17's new photo privacy controls let you lock down your pictures like never before. Ready to take charge of your data? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech tips. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to protect your photos. We're exploring iOS 17's game-changing photo privacy features. Apple's giving you total control over what apps like Instagram or Facebook can access in your photo library. Want to keep your visual story safe? Keep watching. Apps accessing your photos can grab metadata like location, depth info, captions, and even audio annotations. Apple warns photos may contain sensitive data, and unrestricted access could expose your personal story. iOS 17's new controls let you decide exactly what apps see, redefining digital privacy. Here's how to manage photo access on your iPhone. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then select Photos. For each app, choose None to block all access. Add Photos only to let apps add new pictures without seeing your library, restricted access for specific photos, or complete access for everything. These options give you granular control to protect your data. iOS 17's photo privacy features empower you to share data on your terms, setting a new standard for apps like Facebook and Instagram. As digital privacy becomes a bigger deal, Apple's leading the charge with tools to keep your personal info secure. Is this the future of data protection? Head to your iPhone settings now and customize your photo privacy settings with iOS 17. It's quick, easy, and keep your visual story safe. Which app are you restricting first? Drop it below. If you love this guide, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.